What's up, YouTube? Thought I'd make a quick unboxing video while I'm on my lunch break. My new Oster Fast Feeds just came in. I got the limited edition, pretty cool pattern, and thought I'd make a quick unboxing video, show you guys what's in it. And please comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think about the video. Alright guys, so these are my Oster Fast Feeds. The limited edition just came in today. I'll show you guys what's in it. So let's get to it. Okay, let's just put that to the side. Alright, so I was having a little trouble getting the clippers out of there. It's a lot harder than you think with one hand. Comes bubble wrapped, which is very nice. Oh man. These look so nice. And they feel amazing. Come with a little guard on there. The blade looks pretty cool. It does not come zero gapped, as you can see. It's pretty wide. This just feels like such great quality, and I love the design. Oh man, can't wait to try these out. Comes with a 8-foot cord. Pretty nice, pretty good material. Comes with 4 guards and some oil. By the way, I did go ahead and buy the Andy's double magnetic guards for my Oster Fast Feed. So I'll let you know, probably do a review later on how good those fit. So the little bag did come with 4 different guards. They seem alright. A little flimsy. They bend pretty easy actually. But I don't know. I heard they're not that good, and I heard they fall off every now and then. So I got the double magnetic guards, like I said earlier. Here's the lube. And it comes with a little cleaning brush. It's kind of cute, to be honest. And just in case you guys are wondering as well, I did buy the Andy's ceramic edge blade. I will be switching it out so I can zero gap it as best as possible. So I'll let you guys know how that went as well. Professional clipper blade care. Okay. Has some products. Service information. Probably never use that. Pivot. Instruction manual. Okay. I'll probably read over that later. But yeah, guys, this is it. And it is beautiful. Looks amazing. I love it. Can't wait to try it out. And again, just in case you wanted to hear how it sounds. Wow, that is really quiet. That's awesome.